Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn a prompt into a viral YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT with DALL-E built in. No external design software needed, at least initially. Let's make it happen. If you're not already in ChatGPT, go ahead and launch ChatGPT in your web browser and sign in. In the input, type "Help me create a detailed description for a YouTube thumbnail for a video titled, let's see, how to use ChatGPT featuring a futuristic robot typing on a glowing screen with the ChatGPT logo in the background." All right, here's what we got. Go ahead and read through the generated description and note key details such as the atmosphere, color themes, and also main elements. Now let's take this a step further by asking ChatGPT to refine this description. So we'll say, can you refine the above prompt with more emphasis on vibrant colors, clear focal points, what is that? Come on. And a bold visual style suitable for a YouTube thumbnail. All right, let's see what we get here. Great. So once you are good with the refined prompt, then type in, go ahead and generate images based on the above prompt. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT will give us. All right, so just wait as DALL-E processes the prompt and displays your image. All right, that's really nice. If you are not satisfied with the image, just go ahead and keep refining the prompt until you get exactly the image that you're looking for. Now let's go ahead and download this image to our computer. If you need to adjust the image, open Canva in your web browser and click on Create a New Design and click on Custom Size and enter, say, 2560 by 1440 px. And this will be our canvas size. Click Upload and then Upload Files and select your saved image. Click Open. All right, and then click on your image. You can click on Position and Scale to fill the space as desired. Also, you can click on Text here in the left sidebar. And if you didn't already have a heading, you can just click on Add Heading. And maybe instead of how to use ChatGPT, maybe ChatGPT Mastery. And there you go. And you can format this with a nice looking font. You can adjust the font size and also set the text color to contrast sharply with your background. For example, white on a dark background or vice versa. Just be sure to position the text on your canvas so that it's clearly visible and doesn't obscure key visual elements. Once your final adjustments are in place, go ahead and click Share and click Download and choose PNG or JPG and confirm the download. Make sure to verify that the final image is exactly 2560 by 1440. If you feel small prompt tweaks are needed, then head back to ChatGPT. And for example, you can change the style from futuristic to maybe cinematic. And you can also revise your prompt with specific adjustment. You can modify the lighting to be softer and then regenerate the image if desired and compare with your original choice. Save the best version by following the same export and download process as we did before. And I believe that's it. You now know how to turn a prompt into a viral YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT with DALL-E and, if needed, Canva for final tweaks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and share your most creative prompt in the comments. Thanks for watching and have an epic day.